Hi friends, I'm Shreya. In today's video, we will learn how to make another new earring design. To make this sweet silk thread earring, I have used silk and pearls. I moved the silk thread around the phone a total of 50 times. Now we will cut it from the middle. Please watch the video until the end. Then I will make a tassel. We will make 3 tassels using the same process. Then we will add an eye pin to a 14 number bead. In this case, I bought a bead that looks like a flower. You can use the design as you wish. To match the tassel color, I will use the same color beads. I have used 5 pieces 6 mm pearls and 8 mm blue color beads. I have made this earring using tassel, eye pin and pearls. I will add ear stud using glue gun. I hope you like this video. Please like and comment how you like the video and share the video with your friends to support DiyArtiePie. Thank you.